Hi, Sean Driscoll here with GPO US, and I'm showing our 46-inch 2x2 super narrow bezel video wall. This is a part of our EN series, meaning it has ACR, our diagnostic tool. As you can see here, we have what's called our smart controller that gives you a status readout of each individual display. I can address each display in the array and get a full status readout, so if there ever is a failure or perceived failure, you can immediately diagnose it and inform service decisions, and makes that turnaround time much quicker. Perfect for command and control, for ad space, and other mission critical applications. We are mounting this display on our slide bracket mounts, which ensure maintenance of alignment. You can even tug on these individual displays, and while the whole wall moves because we're in a demo setup, the individual displays alignment stays true. This includes side covers, so it's nicely trimmed out here, and as you can see, the alignment is maintained. The alignment is also something that will be virtually automatic when this is installed. Anyone who installed this with me yesterday can attest to that. These bezels right here are 5.5 millimeters, but we can actually go down to 3.5 in our ultra narrow series, which is actually the slimmest that LCD can achieve. This particular model also has what's called a deck option as part of our ED series. So if the ACR status readout provides you with information indicating a board failure, you would be able to take out an individual display using either our swing out mount or a pull out mount. So without dismounting the display, you can swap out the boards and be back up and running with minimal labor and minimal downtime. Aside from this particular model that we see here, we also have 55 inchers with the same bezel width options. We also have brighter options, so 700 nit for your lobbies and entranceway type applications. This can also be mounted on our customizable floor stands, which can be customized for color, logos, height, and can feature locking rear doors. That's about all for our video wall series, and I'll be sure to tell you more when I have some other products in front of me.
Can you tell me differentiating factors that might be with yours over other video wall manufacturers?
Absolutely. So as far as the likes of NEC or Samsung are concerned, none of those have the complete diagnostic tools that we have at our disposal to immediately diagnose and respond to service issues. The ACR feature that I was talking about. We also separate ourselves in the mounting. So as I had mentioned, ease of installation, ease of alignment, maintenance of that alignment, and included trim is really what separates us with our proprietary mounting solutions, although we can use third-party mounts, as about a quarter of our installations do. In relation to the likes of, say, Planar, that offboards their electronics, our deck option that I had mentioned, where you can move your boards quickly and easily without dismounting of the panels, we see that as an answer to their offboard electronics without having to run proprietary cabling over long distances or find space in a rack for all the power supplies and controller boards. So we sit in a price point that's very competitive with the likes of NEC, who tend to be about the lowest cost of super and ultra narrow bezel video wall monitors, while maintaining that planar level quality due to our experience on the OEM side and our intimate knowledge at the board level as we print our own control boards, which is very unique in this space.
Delivery on products is how soon?
Typically 6 to 8 weeks, although we do stock certain models. We like to allocate some time to also plan for on-site visits. Our on-site techs do assist in the actual installation process. This certainly helps with adoption of our mounting concepts, especially for first-time dealers. We also conduct color calibration to ensure that you don't have those checkerboard effects on video walls, and that the colors and brightness levels are matched. It's been very beneficial in just about every installation where we've gone on site to conduct troubleshooting, fine-tune alignment, and that color matching image.
Best markets right now, is it digital signage, command and control, or all of the above?
We're growing in command and control quite a bit due to the ACR and deck functions. That's been adopted quite well, even though it was developed for ad space. I would say corporate lobbies are another strength. and we're just starting to get into higher education where they're adopting our e-whiteboards as well as our video walls. We do see ourselves growing a lot more in digital signage applications as we begin to bring on more software partners who allow us to, for example, use our touch tables in conjunction with video walls and swipe content back and forth. But for now, I would say that we've been strongest in corporate lobbies, boardrooms, and command and control type applications.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.